Welcome to the nation's largest built-in furniture manufacturing hub, a factory that caters to both B2B and B2C demands with precision and efficiency. As a leader in manufacturing technology, backed by over 2 decades of expertise, our factory continues to evolve and push the boundaries of innovation. What makes it possible? Let's find out. Lavaredo began as an OEM solid surface factory in 2004, led by Mr. W. Sechin. From the start, the brand has emphasized the quality and exports. We expanded rapidly by entering the B2C market. In 2016, we recognized a major opportunity in the building furniture market. That's why we established the Lavaredo brand. To serve homeowners looking for high-quality building at reasonable prices, we offer comprehensive services backed by reliable post-installation warranties. In addition, we collaborate with interior designers and professionals nationwide, focusing on design, production accuracy, and international standards. Today, Lavaredo is a trusted building brand among both homeowners and designers, with over 20 years of experience and its own in-house production lines. Ever wondered why Lavaredo kitchen looks so refined and flawless? Lavaredo operates under a 4 production system. Every piece moves through specialized production lines, working in harmony like an orchestra. It all begins with our solid surface factory. Lavaredo's journey began in 2004, specializing in the production of kitchen and bathroom countertops that are durable, smooth, and highly customizable. Every slab is cut, polished, and assembled by our skilled in-house craftsmen. Once the solid surface structure is precisely shaped, the next step is to bring each piece to life, with panels that reflect individual aesthetic and lifestyle. Our second production hub is the water-based paint facility. As sustainable living becomes the new norm, we prioritize health and environmental safety with our water-based paint system. Our paints are VOC-free, safe for respiration, quick drying, low odor, and beautifully consistent. Next, let's explore the origin of our seamless precision, made possible by premier material and advanced technology. The third hub, Lavaredo's specialized wood cutting factory. We exclusively use high moisture resistant wood, a guarantee of lasting durability and reliability. During production, each wood panel is cut using CNC machine equipped with robotic arm that position the material with precision, reducing human error and enhancing safety on the production line. The next stage involves rolling and grooving using high-precision computer-controlled CNC drilling machine. Whether it's creating grooves for handles or mounting points, each task is executed quickly and to exacting standards. This is followed by the edge bending process. Edges are sealed with PUR adhesive, offering unmatched resistance to moisture and solvents. This adhesive is highly resistant to moisture and solvents, ensures seamless, smooth, and the premier quality edges. Once all processes are complete, the finished pieces are passed on to the packaging department, ready for the delivery to our customer. At Lavaredo, production is only the beginning. Each piece is digitally scanned with high accuracy before being packed with care and engineered precision, ensuring protection from the moment it leaves our facility to its arrival at your doorstep. Our products are designed in RTA format, optimizing packing speed, simplifying installation, and maximizing overall efficiency. Our 24/7 delivery fleet from vans to trucks is ready to serve. Whether it's one cabinet or a 4-home solution, everything arrives in one go. Our professional installers are ready to serve customers nationwide. Backed by our warranty and after-sales support, we are always there when you need us most. Because we know building furniture isn't just furniture, it's your home.